Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. And what you have come back to is no less important as we dive deeper into the ocean of the importance of education. And speaking of education, ladies and gentlemen, now the future of it relies not only on countries but also on public, private, and youth partnerships.
Now we would like to welcome our keynote speaker, Henrietta Fore, the Executive Director of UNICEF, who will be joining us via video link to talk about the importance of the youth agenda and the role of public-private youth partnerships.
Let's have a listen.
During the last 4 years as Executive Director of UNICEF, I have had the opportunity to speak with many young people who told me about their hopes and dreams. They also shared some of their fears. They are worried that they will not have access to a quality education. They are also concerned that they cannot obtain the skills training that they need to help them find a good job and earn a decent wage. Many young people worry that even if they do have the right skills, there are not enough job opportunities to meet the demand. Young people feel that they are facing a crisis of education and a crisis of employment. Since the onset of COVID-19 pandemic, their fears have only increased. The pandemic has disproportionately impacted young people. They have lost jobs at rates higher than others. They are unemployed at rates even higher. They have had their education and training disrupted. 3 years ago, UNICEF and partners created Generation Unlimited to address these issues. The need for Generation Unlimited existed then, and the need for Generation Unlimited is even greater now. Generation Unlimited was created to give young people a platform to express themselves and find opportunities. It had an audacious goal to have every young person in the world in school, learning, training, or age-appropriate employment by the year 2030. We reached out to partners in the public sector, private sector, academia, nonprofits, and innovators to help. Young people also told us that they wanted to help other young people. They wanted more space, resources, and agency. Generation Unlimited, or Gen U, which was named by young people themselves, is envisioned to change this and place young people in the driver's seat and steer us all along the way. In the 3 years since Generation Unlimited launched, we have come a long way. We have reached 220 million young people in over 50 countries and thousands of partners. We have leveraged partnerships to create opportunities, mobilize resources, and implement solutions. We have brought these partners into our governance structure so that decisions are made with input and representation from all sectors. And most importantly, we have doubled down on the need to have youth in the driver's seat, repositioning Generation Unlimited as the world's first PPYP, a public-private youth partnership. We have learned a lot in these first 3 years of Gen U initiative, and we have achieved great results. But we are not done. There is much more to do. We have used key learnings to draft a new Gen Youth strategy that will take us to the end of 2025. It is a strategy that will deliver impact in skills and employment, in entrepreneurship, social impact, and connectivity. It emphasizes results for the most disadvantaged young people, especially young women. And it will deliver impact through growing the partners within our network, with an emphasis on expanding youth and private sector engagement. It will focus us on ensuring that young people are equipped with skills that are relevant to growing sectors like the digital and green sectors. Gen U exists because every young person deserves an equal opportunity. With the largest generation of young people in history driving social change and economic growth, the potential is unlimited. We want young people to have every opportunity. So thank you for being on this journey with us.